Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. I just purchased a few weeks ago this Craftsman push mower. It's not self-propelled, it's just a push mower. My old mower, which was like almost 20 years old, finally broke. The wheel housing broke off like right here. So I went out and purchased this at Lowe's. Not a bad mower. The only thing is there's a lot of plastic parts here. I worry about these wheels. You know, eventually when, I'm mowing, these wheels are going to get old. I'm afraid the plastic's going to crack or something, but so far they're holding up. It starts right up. You don't have to primer it, no pushing the primer. You put your gas in here, you have your oil here. It also has a bag, and if you don't want to use the bag, you actually just take this off like this. Try with one hand, you lift it up and it will actually just shoot out on that end. But when you're using the bag, you would take this off. This actually just comes right off. What's good about this piece too, that it just clips on right here. It just like actually sits in place. If you bump something, this comes off easily. It won't crack. It won't crack, yeah. So you got to check the oil once in a while. I try to keep it nice and clean. The bag, I probably fill up about a bag and a half of grass clippings, and it takes me about 45 minutes to an hour to cut my grass. We had some rain last night, so this is a little bit high right now to me, and what I'm going to do is cut it today, and I'm going to use the bag. Days when I don't use the bag, I just let it shoot out and it's fine. But this ain't a bad mower, except for the plastic. I don't like a lot of the plastic stuff on here. Like this is plastic here, plastic, plastic, plastic. This is plastic. Just a little worry that things are going to crack. But it wasn't a bad mower. It was probably a little bit over 200. Again, no primer, starts right up. But it's pretty cool. I like it. So I kind of recommend it. Actually, too, I got more horsepower on this one too than my old one. My old one was like all solid metal, and it was a great mower. It lasted for years, and it was a Craftsman. But this is new. Got it at Lowe's. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, Craftsman push mower, not self-propelled, just a push mower with a bag. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.